glass cleaning hacks. Everybody wants a tip from the pro. Let me give you the first tip, everybody watching. Fragrance, things that people put, what they used to be trees back in the day, now we got, let me tell you something, we're seeing a huge amount of fog on this interior of this glass, and more than likely it's plastics and the fragrance coming off this. Let me tell you a little horror story. I've had where whole interior center consoles have had to be replaced because damage of these types of things, and we have this massive amount of fog and all kinds of things. I don't know how the guy's seeing out of this, to be really upfront with you. And so one of the things we want to talk about is an easy, simple pro tip, hack, whatever you want to call it, to get this glass perfect. I can make two choices here. I can go in with glass cleaner and really fight all of this grime. Doesn't matter which glass cleaner, doesn't matter what you do. Or I can actually clean it like I'm cleaning an interior piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our Revive product and I'm going to get this grime off first. Okay? This is so thick and so bad that I want to actually clean all of this off first. Okay? And we're doing it a little backwards. I wouldn't be doing it from the driver's side, but it's for filming purposes we are. And what we're trying to do is take that grime off because it is so thick and so bad that we don't really have a choice here. And look, it's so bad down at the bottom that if you tried to fight this with glass cleaner, you'd be here all day. You wouldn't know. You'd be like, oh, maybe it's my towel, maybe it's this, maybe it's that. No. It's actually that this is on par with dirt, you know. In a lot of cases, it's worse than dirt because it's impossible to get off. You could use straight alcohol and struggle. That's why some of those homemade concoctions don't work very well. So now, Marty, when you look out this, that grime is gone, okay? And we're looking directly into a really bright light, and we're still. This is almost perfect at this point. Would you agree?
That looks great.
Okay, so we just took a little Revive interior cleaner and hit that really quickly. We'll come back, we'll hit it with some glass cleaner, so just give me 1 second. So now, I'm just gonna go in with a dry towel. The water you're seeing is on the outside, guys, just an FYI. And I'm just gonna give it a courtesy wipe, not super thorough. Then, a couple sprays on my towel. Couple mists, and we're just going to go to work. So the way that I do it here is I'm going to finish half of this. So my cutoff point is sort of this toll pass that they have. I'm going to get it done to that point. Important thing is he's got a little tint brow on this car. Our glass cleaner is safe on all tint. Okay. Go ahead and do your edges. Remember that water running down is on the outside. And we're done. Okay, that's a really simple tip. Do not, again, if the glass was in good shape, it didn't have that grime, you don't need to do the Revive step. But if you do the Revive step, it just makes your life a whole lot easier. Notice I didn't struggle to get a finish, okay? We do a lot of tint. I could easily, take a squeegee. This is even easier. This is a no-lint towel that we sell, and we got perfect glass. Thanks for watching.